Intellectual enlightenment. This enlightenment is about more than just acquiring knowledge. It's about understanding complex ideas that broaden your worldview. It's the light bulb moment when you grasp intricate concepts, theories, and philosophies. It's the satisfaction of connecting the dots between seemingly unrelated pieces of information and seeing the bigger picture. Intellectual enlightenment empowers you to think critically, analyze situations from different perspectives, and engage in meaningful discourse with others. Spiritual enlightenment. Spiritual enlightenment transcends the material world, leading to a profound awakening to the spiritual dimension of existence. It's a deep inner journey that involves connecting with a higher power, universal consciousness, or inner divine essence. It's the realization that there is more to life than meets the eye, and finding peace and clarity in that realization. Spiritual enlightenment brings a sense of unity with all beings, a deep inner peace, and a profound understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. Emotional enlightenment. This enlightenment involves developing a deep awareness and understanding of your own emotions and those of others. It's about recognizing and accepting your feelings without judgment and learning to navigate them in a healthy way. Emotional enlightenment empowers you to express yourself authentically, communicate effectively, and cultivate empathy and compassion for others. It's the journey of emotional growth and resilience that leads to greater self-awareness, emotional balance, and well-being. Cultural enlightenment. Cultural enlightenment is the process of immersing yourself in different cultures, traditions, and perspectives. It's about stepping outside of your comfort zone and embracing diversity. Cultural enlightenment fosters empathy, tolerance, and appreciation for the richness of human experience. It's the realization that there are countless ways of living and seeing the world, and each is valid in its own right. Cultural enlightenment promotes cross-cultural understanding, breaks down stereotypes, and builds bridges between people from different backgrounds. Physical enlightenment. Physical enlightenment involves achieving harmony between the mind and body. It encompasses practices such as yoga, meditation, and mindful movement that promote physical health, vitality, and overall well-being. Physical enlightenment is about tuning into your body's wisdom, listening to its signals, and honoring its needs. It's the journey of self-discovery and self-care that leads to greater strength, flexibility, and vitality. Physical enlightenment empowers you to cultivate a deeper connection with your body, nourish it with healthy habits, and experience the joy of living in a healthy, vibrant body. Creative enlightenment. Creative enlightenment is about tapping into your innate creativity and expressing yourself authentically. It's the moment of inspiration when ideas flow freely and you lose yourself in the creative process. Creative enlightenment is not limited to artists and musicians. It's accessible to anyone who is willing to explore their creative potential. It's the journey of self-expression and self-discovery that leads to greater fulfillment and joy. Creative enlightenment empowers you to unleash your imagination, cultivate your unique voice, and share your gifts with the world. Social enlightenment. Social enlightenment entails building meaningful connections with others and contributing positively to society. It's about fostering empathy, kindness, and cooperation in your interactions with others. Social enlightenment is the realization that we are all interconnected and that our actions have ripple effects that extend far beyond ourselves. It's the journey of empathy and compassion that leads to greater understanding, harmony, and unity. Social enlightenment empowers you to be a force for positive change in the world, to build bridges between people, and to create a more just and compassionate society. Nature enlightenment. Nature enlightenment involves connecting with the natural world and recognizing our inherent interconnectedness with all living beings. It's about experiencing awe and wonder in the presence of nature's beauty and complexity. Nature enlightenment is the realization that we are not separate from nature, but an integral part of it. It's the journey of reverence and stewardship that leads to greater environmental awareness and appreciation. Nature enlightenment empowers you to cultivate a deeper connection with the natural world, to protect and preserve it for future generations, and to experience the profound healing power of nature. Mindfulness. Mindfulness enlightenment is the practice of living in the present moment with awareness and acceptance. It's about cultivating a non-judgmental awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations as they arise. Mindfulness enlightenment is not about trying to change or control your experience, but about learning to be with whatever is happening with openness and curiosity. It's the journey of self-discovery and self-awareness that leads to greater clarity, peace, and inner freedom. Mindfulness enlightenment empowers you to break free from the grip of the past and the worries of the future and to fully embrace the richness of the present moment. Philosophical enlightenment. Philosophical enlightenment involves questioning assumptions, exploring the deeper meaning of existence, and seeking wisdom and truth. It's about engaging in deep philosophical inquiry and contemplation to gain insight into the nature of reality and the human condition. Philosophical enlightenment is the realization that there are no easy answers and that the journey of seeking truth is an ongoing process. It's the journey of intellectual curiosity and spiritual inquiry that leads to greater understanding, wisdom, and inner peace. Philosophical enlightenment empowers you to question the status quo, challenge conventional wisdom, and live a life guided by deeper principles and values. Wisdom enlightenment. Wisdom enlightenment is the accumulation of knowledge, experience, and insight that leads to wise decision-making and a deeper understanding of life. It's about learning from your experiences, reflecting on your mistakes, and integrating the lessons learned into your life. Wisdom enlightenment is not about having all the answers, but about recognizing the limitations of your knowledge and approaching life with humility and curiosity. It's the journey of lifelong learning and personal growth that leads to greater clarity, discernment, and inner peace. Wisdom enlightenment empowers you to make choices that align with your values and aspirations and to navigate the complexities of life with grace and wisdom. Self-realization enlightenment. Self-realization enlightenment is the realization of your true nature beyond the ego and societal conditioning. It's about peeling away the layers of false identity and discovering the essence of who you truly are. Self-realization enlightenment is not about becoming someone else, but about uncovering the innate wisdom, love, and power that lie within you. It's the journey of self-discovery and self-acceptance that leads to greater freedom, authenticity, and inner peace. Self-realization. Enlightenment empowers you to live from a place of inner alignment and integrity, and to express your unique gifts and talents in the world. Compassion. Enlightenment. Compassion. Enlightenment involves cultivating empathy, kindness, and compassion towards yourself and others. It's about recognizing the inherent worth and dignity of all beings and acting with love and compassion in all your interactions. Compassion enlightenment is the realization that we are all interconnected and that our well-being is intimately linked to the well-being of others. It's the journey of opening your heart to the suffering of others and responding with kindness and care that leads to greater joy, fulfillment, and inner peace. Compassion enlightenment empowers you to be a source of healing and support in the world, to alleviate suffering wherever you encounter it, and to create a more compassionate and just society. Gratitude enlightenment. Gratitude enlightenment is the practice of appreciating the abundance in your life and finding joy in the simple things. It's about cultivating a grateful heart and recognizing the blessings and opportunities that surround you. Gratitude enlightenment is not about denying the challenges and hardships of life, but about shifting your focus to the positive aspects of your experience. It's the journey of opening your eyes to the beauty and wonder of the world and experiencing a deep sense of awe and appreciation for the gift of life itself. Gratitude enlightenment empowers you to live with an open heart and a spirit of generosity, and to experience greater happiness, fulfillment, and inner peace. Simplicity enlightenment. Simplicity enlightenment is about simplifying your life and focusing on what truly matters. It's about letting go of the distractions and excesses that clutter your life and embracing a minimalist lifestyle. Simplicity enlightenment is not about deprivation or austerity, but about cultivating a sense of inner clarity and spaciousness. It's the journey of shedding old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve you and stepping into the fullness of who you are. Transformational enlightenment. Transformational enlightenment is the process of embracing change and growth as essential aspects of the human experience. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, facing your fears, and embracing the opportunities for growth and evolution that life presents. Transformational enlightenment is not about seeking perfection or avoiding challenges, but about embracing the journey of self-discovery and self-actualization. It's the journey of shedding old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve you and stepping into the fullness of who you are. Transformational enlightenment empowers you to embrace change with courage and resilience, to learn and grow from your experiences, and to live a life of purpose and passion. Humility enlightenment. Humility enlightenment is the practice of letting go of pride and ego and embracing humility as a path to inner peace and wisdom. It's about recognizing your limitations and acknowledging the contributions of others with gratitude and appreciation. Humility enlightenment is not about diminishing your self-worth or playing small, but about recognizing that you are part of something greater than yourself. It's the journey of surrendering the need to control or dominate and embracing the interconnectedness of all beings.